Make these love coupons for your significant other. Let's jump right into this video. Here I am in Cricut Design Space, and I'm gonna first click the upload button, click upload image, open up my Finder window and find those coupons or tickets. Click on it and drag it into Cricut Design Space. Click continue. Right here, I'm just gonna click in the white space to remove that background, and then click apply and continue. Click flat graphic and then click continue. You can rename this file if you want, but I'll just leave it as is, and then click the upload button. Okay, so I'll do this maybe 2 more times. So click the upload button, upload image. I'm gonna open my Finder window. And honestly, you can choose any of these that you want to upload and bring into Cricut Design Space. I'm just gonna click on random ones. I'll click number 8. Drag that in, click continue. Click in the white space to remove that background, and then click apply and continue. Click flat graphic and then click continue 1 more time, and then click upload. Okay, 1 last time, click the upload button, upload image. Click on one of those tickets or coupons, drag it into Design Space, click continue. Click in the white space to remove the background. Click apply and continue. Click flat graphic and then click continue. And then click upload. Okay, so now we have all 3 of our coupons inside of Cricut Design Space. Gonna select, go up top and click select all, and then I'm going to click align and center. And what I want to do next is to change the width to, I'll change it to 3.5 inches. And as you can see, all 3 of those layers are selected. What I'll do from here is to zoom in. And now what I want to do is to add some circles to add holes at the end of each of the tickets. I'm doing this because I'm going to use some string to tie the tickets together or the coupons together. So I'll go over to the left side, click on shapes, and then click on the circle. Gonna make that circle smaller, change the size or the color too so that I can see it better when I put it on top of the coupons. Gonna zoom in some more for you all. And then make the circle a little bit smaller and just place it where you want it to go. I think that's, I'm gonna move it up just a tad bit. I think that's about centered within that circle. So what I'll do now is to zoom out a little bit, make a duplicate of that circle, bring it down and kind of try to place it in the same spot as the other one. Make 1 more duplicate and then click on that circle, drag it to where you think the other ones are. From there, I'm gonna select each one of those dots. If you need to, you can do that over in the layers panel. You can hold down the shift button on your keyboard and select each one of those dots. So what I'll do next is to click align and then left. And that kind of lets me know that they're aligned together. From there, I will go down to combine and then click weld. Okay, so basically what that did was to put those 3 circles into 1 layer. So what I'll do now is to hide these other 2 layers of the tickets or the coupons, select the circles and the coupons, and then click slice. So you can't see this layer of circles, but I'm just gonna click on that layer and delete it. Click on the orange layer and just turn that one off. Now you can see that those circles have been cut. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see them a little better. You can see that those circles have been cut out of those tickets. And I'll just repeat this process until all 3 layers have those circles cut out. So I'm gonna hide this layer, turn on the second layer of tickets or coupons, turn on those circles, select everything, and then click slice. Again, you can't really see this layer of those circles, but I'm just gonna delete that layer. I'm going to hide those orange circles. And again, you can see that those circles have been cut out of those coupons. Gonna hide that layer, click on layer number 3 that does not have the circles cut out. Turn on those orange circles, select everything, and then click slice. So here I'm gonna select that layer of circles, turn off the orange ones, and you can see those circles have been cut out. So now whenever I turn on all three of my layers, you can see that these circles have been cut out. If I move them around, you can see the circles have been cut out. Over here, you can see the same thing. As long as you can see that white backing or those grid lines through the back, I'm gonna change up the canvas color really quickly to show you. Also, I'm gonna change it to blue. And as you can see those blue, you can see through those circles to see the blue grid backline. Okay. I'm going to change that canvas color back to white. One last thing I need to do is to put my perforation lines. So what I'll do now is to kind of move these stickers how I want them to appear on my printout sheet. So I'm going to select these two layers and make sure that they're aligned to the left. And I'm doing that so that I can just put one full perforation line down those stickers, and I want those to be aligned. So I'll click on shapes, click on this first line up top, close that panel. I'm going to change this operation to perforate, and then I'm going to change the height of that line to, let's try 7 inches. 7 is not long enough. I'm going to try 9 inches, and let's see. 9 is not long enough either. Let's go with 10. Okay, so I'm gonna put that perforation line right on top of those little dashes where you would tear the ticket. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see that better. Over here, I do need to make sure this perforation line comes down a little bit. I'm gonna scroll up to the top. Yeah, I have plenty of space at the top. Okay, so you can see what that looks like now. Gonna zoom out, and then I will just select those 2 layers of tickets and that perforation line and click attach. I'm gonna add another perforation line, so go over to shapes, click another line, change the operation to perforate, and put it where you want it to go on top of that dashed line. I'm gonna zoom in some for you. Put it where you want it to go. I'm gonna change this height to maybe 6 inches. 6 is way too long. What about 5 inches? Okay, I can make 5 work. So I'm gonna bring that down a little bit. Now you can see that perforation line. So what I'll do next is to just select that layer of tickets and the perforation line and click attach. Last thing is to save this project. So I'm just gonna save it as Love Coupons and click save. From here, I'm going to click the make button. And it looks like it says it's too large. So this layer over here on this left side, it says that it's too large. So let me check it out. I may need to end up changing my ticket size to 3 inches instead of 3.5 inches. And I think that's what I'll end up doing. So for this layer on the left side, I'm just gonna click on the width and change it to 3 inches. Do the same thing over here on the left side, change that to 3 inches, okay? So now I'm gonna click save. And I think 3 inches is a pretty decent size for the tickets as well. So I'll click make. Here you can see a preview of those tickets or coupons. I do like that they can fit on one page. So I'll click the continue button. And if you wanted to, you can add in more tickets to fill up this blank space down here in the bottom. Actually, I'm gonna cancel and just add that one on as well. I'm gonna make a duplicate of this one just so I can take up that space. Gonna click on both of those and click align left. Gonna zoom in just to see if those perforation lines overlap, and it does look like they do. So now I'll just select both and then click attach. So I'll click save one more time. And I don't think there's anything wrong with having like duplicate coupons, especially if there are some that, you want both of you all to be able to use. So I'll click the make button. This is a preview. I'll click the continue button. While that is connecting, I'm gonna go ahead and click send to printer. I do like this new feature where it shows you which piece or which side of your paper should go up on the mat. I'll click next. I'm gonna turn off the bleed, turn on the system dialog and click print. Minimize this screen. Right here, I'm gonna click on media and quality, change it the media type to photo glossy paper, and then click print. Going back to Cricut Design Space, I'm going to click on medium cardstock. Now I will show you, me printing out the tickets or the coupons. Also going to show you me cutting out those coupons as well. Okay, so here are the coupons. What I'll do now is to peel them off of the paper. So here I have my string. What I'll do first is to just go ahead and put these coupons in order by color. I think I'm gonna do red, black, pink. So I'll just start with that. Okay, so that's the order that I want my coupons to be in. I'm not quite sure, again, because the hole in the tickets is super tiny. I'm not sure if I'll be able to just get the string all the way through, but I'm gonna try and see what happens. And if this doesn't, oh, it did work. Okay, so again, because the hole in these tickets is super small, I basically had to go through a process where I took some of this string right here and kind of unraveled it so I could get a single string. So what I'll do now is to tie this together. Okay, so now your tickets are kind of sealed together. You can kind of flip through them like a little booklet, see which one you want to pull out. And once you see one you want to pull out, you can literally just fold it and then tear it on the perforation. And now you can redeem this coupon, right? And so that little piece right there is still left on there. But yeah, essentially that's how you make your love coupons. Very quick, very easy. I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those down below. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.